Have you ever met someone who looked completely ordinary, but was secretly worth millions of dollars? Imagine this. You walk into a small coffee shop early in the morning. In the corner, there's an older man wearing a faded hoodie, simple jeans, and old sneakers. He's quietly drinking coffee while reading the newspaper. His car outside is almost 10 years old. Nothing about him looks impressive. Most people would probably walk past him without thinking twice. But what if I told you that this man owns multiple companies, dozens of rental properties, millions of dollars in stocks, and has a net worth of over $650 million? It sounds unbelievable. Yet stories like this happen every single day. Stay until the end, because this secret could completely change the way you think about money forever. The truth is, many of the richest people in the world don't look rich at all. In fact, the people who look the wealthiest are often carrying the biggest debts, while the people who look completely ordinary are quietly building enormous fortunes. So why does this happen? Why do real millionaires avoid showing off their money? And what secret do they know that most people completely miss? Today, we are going to uncover one of the most powerful financial concepts in the world: stealth wealth. This simple idea has helped thousands of successful people protect their money, grow their investments, and live peaceful lives without constantly trying to impress others. But before we talk about stealth wealth, we first need to understand one very important truth. Most people are chasing the wrong goal. They don't actually want to become wealthy. They simply want to look wealthy. Think about social media for a second. Every day we see luxury cars, designer clothes, expensive vacations, private jets, luxury watches, huge houses. It creates the illusion that successful people spend money everywhere they go. But that's only what people choose to show you.
Real wealth often looks completely different. Many self-made millionaires don't spend their days trying to impress strangers. Instead, they focus on growing businesses, buying investments, creating cash flow, and allowing their money to work for them. They understand something that changes everything. Every dollar spent trying to impress other people is one less dollar that can create future wealth. Imagine two people earning exactly the same income. One buys luxury cars, expensive clothes, and the latest gadgets. The other invests that money into stocks, businesses, and real estate. 5 years later, their lives look completely different. One owns expensive things. The other owns income-producing assets. That's the difference between looking rich and actually becoming rich. Real millionaires don't chase attention. They chase financial freedom.
That's exactly why so many truly wealthy people live surprisingly normal lives. Because they aren't interested in looking rich. They're interested in staying rich. The biggest mistake most people make is trying to impress people they don't even know. Real millionaires understand that money invested today can become much more valuable tomorrow. That's why many of them drive ordinary cars, wear simple clothes, and avoid unnecessary attention. Their goal isn't to prove they're rich. Their goal is to become financially free. So the next time you see someone living a simple life, don't assume they're struggling. They might be far wealthier than anyone around them. Remember, wealth whispers, debt shouts. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more lessons about money, investing, and building real wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.